There.
All right.
All right, guys, so we've decided to make this a family affair since this is technically Sarah, my wife's Wagoneer, and it's really one of the first times my son has seen it. Obviously, you know Millie's thoughts if you've seen the prior video. You living your best life?
Chilling in the front seat.
What do you think about it, Mama?
Well, I like it.
I really like
Me
it.
too.
We'll link our first day with our new Jeep Wagoneer down in the description so you can kind of see our thoughts on what we think about this thing, but we're super stoked about it, and today we're gonna give it a name. And you guys are actually gonna help a little bit. So some of you on YouTube have already left what you think we should name this thing, and we've all brought our own names to the table. So Sarah's gonna be documenting them over here on the whiteboard. Are you guys ready? You ready?
Yes,
Yeah.
Millie, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, why don't you go ahead?
You forgot that thing.
And baby, are you ready? Of course, okay. All right, Mill, why don't you go ahead and tell Mama what your name is for
Your idea.
your idea for the Wagoneer.
Wait, now I can't remember. Uh-oh, now I
Do you
can.
remember?
Totsley.
Totsley.
I'm not sure how to spell
T-O-T-S-L-E-Y.
Okay.
And then she also threw out Pluto, so I think that needs to be on there. And Jackson, what is yours?
Wally.
Wally.
Got
Okay.
it.
What about yours, honey?
Mine was Tilly.
Tilly, like
Yeah.
T-I-L-L-Y?
That's right.
All right.
What's yours,
What?
Dad?
I'm gonna take one from a subscriber on the channel because I really liked it, and he was one of the first ones to offer a name up, and I'm forgetting his name now here, but I'll drop it right here on the screen. His suggestion was Charlie Brown, and that is one that I really liked. A couple of other suggestions that came off of the YouTube channel were Brunwyn, which is B-R-U-N-W-Y-N. And it's not one that I really know the meaning of, but apparently it might be something. So another was Snickers.
I like Snickers.
I love to eat Snickers.
And then another one was Brandy, you know, because it's kind of the color of some brandy. So we're picking from these names, and we're not really sure how we're gonna pick. We're just actually gonna go through and start marking off the ones that we're not as jazzed about. It's really hot out here, so we're gonna try to make this quick. We've got Totsley, Pluto, Wally, Tilly, Charlie Brown, Brunwyn, Snickers, and Brandy. I say we get started. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go through and mark off the ones that we know we don't want to name the
Okay.
Wagoneer. So I think you should have first pass since it is your Wagoneer.
I don't know what Brunwyn means, so I would scratch that one off.
Can I pick one?
Yep.
I would mark off Brandy. You want to pick one you'd mark off?
I guess Snickers. Like. I
Okay.
don't know. It doesn't really.
Snickers
remind me
seems
of
like
Snickers.
a dog name.
Yeah.
I
To
know
me.
a couple Snickers.
Yeah, yeah.
I love to eat Snickers.
I know. Mill,
So,
which one
Millie-
would you cross off?
So I'm gonna tell you the ones that are left, and you just tell me which one that you don't like. So listen: Totsley, Pluto, Wally, Tilly, and Charlie Brown. Which one would you like to mark off that you don't like?
The two ones that I named, I really like.
Of course. Okay. So what are so out of Wally, Tilly, and Charlie Brown, which one would you mark off?
I think I'll do.
Wally. Okay, so we're marking off Wally. That's the name of the game, so cut right on through it.
I think some of your viewers suggested Wally too.
Oh yeah, I think they did too.
And
Yeah.
Yogi, I feel like was one
Oh,
of them.
let's put Yogi Bear back on there. Yeah, that is
Oh,
one.
Yogi
Yeah.
Bear.
So yeah, let's throw Yogi Bear in there.
I'm not eliminating that one.
This is kind of tricky.
Yeah, it is. Okay, so we're down to Totsley, Pluto, Tilly, Charlie Brown, and Yogi Bear. And Yogi Bear is one that we forgot about that I'm just super excited. So thanks for whoever remembered that. Was that you? Thanks, Sarah.
Can I count how many ones that we marked
come
off?
on, let's count how many we marked off.
Okay, so we've got
1, 2, 3.
Right, so we've marked
so we've
off
marked
4.
off 4, and we've got 5 left. Okay, so I'm gonna choose one to mark off. Is everybody?
But don't mark off mine.
Honey, I have to. If that's what I want to do, that's what I have to do.
But I like them.
You
Well, I
marked
know
off
you do.
Bubba's.
But you marked off
Yeah.
Bubba's. So this is just part of the game. So I'm gonna mark off Totsley.
That's fine.
It is fine. Because these other names are great too.
Did you know I didn't really like Totsie even though I came up with it? But
Yeah,
I
because
like
Pluto's
Pluto.
like So I think I like Yogi Bear better than Charlie Brown.
Okay, so let's mark off Charlie Brown.
Do y'all feel the same?
Yeah, let's do it. Okay, Jackson, You're up. Which one would you mark off between Pluto, Tilly, and Yogi Bear?
I'm not marking off Yogi Bear.
Okay.
Tilly goes.
All right. Now we're down to Pluto and Yogi Bear. And what I think we should do, I've got a quarter here. Heads on one side. We'll call it tails on the other. Looks like it's some sort of Ozark Riverway. So Yogi Bear is gonna be heads, Pluto's gonna be tails. I'm gonna flip it up and it's gonna land on the ground, and whichever side it lands on, that's the name of this new 86 Wagoneer that is our family adventure vehicle. Okay.
And if it flips to Bob's side, I'll just name one of my babies Pluto.
Of course, that's a great
I like
idea.
Pluto.
But it might land on
I know it may land on the side we
may
want
land
to.
on tails, which would be Pluto. So I'm starting with
Okay.
it tails up. Y'all ready? So it's heads Yogi Bear, tails Pluto. It's okay, guys, so I got to cut in here for just a second because we actually slept on it and changed our mind. So the name that we were actually coming up with is not the name that is actually sticking. We woke up this morning, we talked about it, and we decided we're gonna name the Wagoneer Penny. So even though we put you through all that little family exercise, we thought it was fun and cute and really wanted you to see that, but we've decided to come up with a different name. So we slept on it, we're calling the Wagoneer Penny. Now we're gonna jump into the 50,000 subscriber giveaway details.
50,000 subscriber giveaway details.
Okay guys, so we're gonna have a little bit different rules on Instagram and Facebook, but on YouTube, to enter the 50,000 subscriber giveaway, all you gotta do is comment down below, Penny, the name of the new Wagoneer Adventure Jeep for our family. So just comment Penny down below. That will enter you to win a $200 gift certificate from Tejas Steelworks, or a $150 gift certificate from Auto Metal Direct, or a UBT swag pack. So Tejas Steelworks, you can get your LS Swap square body parts. Auto Metal Direct, you can get all your classic truck sheet metal and bumpers and all the things you need to go with it. UBT, you know what UBT merch is all about. Thank you guys so much for just believing in what we're doing. Almost 50,000 of you. I think we're at like 49,400. So we really appreciate you all just being a part of the UBT community. So I want to say thank you, and we're doing this giveaway specifically for you. So comment Penny down below, enters you to win the 50,000 subscriber giveaway. Cue the music.